Hi NorCal race fans. For the second week in a row, racers made their way to Mario Alvarado's Scorpion Speedway.
If you're not prepared, you're going to get stung at Scorpion Speedway. Right here, 10.
The first race of the day was an IROC featuring Racer Sideways Daytona prototypes. Larry Stevens was a bit late pulling in the pits. We gave him some practice, and he was ready for the Classics race.
90 seconds. Getting real wide.
After the Group C, it was time for everybody to eat lunch. Well, almost everybody. After lunch, the GT3 cars hit the track, and they were definitely a handful on the tight Scorpion Speedway layout. The last race of the day was for Racer Sideways Group 5. Mario's Porsche battled 5 BMW M1s while they battled amongst themselves. Since 5 classes just wasn't enough, Mario and Jim took their Revo Slot Ford Escorts out on the track for a drive. I think everybody's looking forward to running the Revo Slot Group 2 sedans. Thanks Mario for another great day of racing at Scorpion Speedway. This is Jim Rose for NorCal Slot Car Scene, and we'll see you at the races.